Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with our history chapter from our history our past two book. The name of the chapter is Town, Traders and Craft Person. In this chapter we will study about town traders and the craftsmen. So, the aim and objective to know about small and big traders. In this chapter you will study about small and big traders, temples and pilgrimage centers, temple towns and pilgrimage centers. So, during medieval period, towns are specified in the functions. The type of towns include a temple town, administrative center, commercial town, or a part town or others. Also, sometimes functions were combined in a single town as well. So, the further is the administrative centers. Tanjavur, the capital of Cholas, was an administrative center. The river Perennial the river Kaveri flows near this beautiful town. Raja Rajeshwara temple was built by King Raja Raja Chola by the architect Kunjaramallan in this town. These are places with mandapas or pavilions. So, in this topic, you have started about that Raja Raja Chola has developed the Raja Rajeshwara temple. Temple towns and pilgrimage. Tanjavur is an example of temple town. Temples were often central to the economy and society. Temple authorities used their wealth to finance trade and banking. A network of small towns. They usually had a mandapika and market streets called hatta lined with shops. These were streets for different kinds of local temples. Trade big and small. Trade can be big and small. Chaitiyas and Mawari Oswal went on to become the main trading group of the country. Craft in town. The Panchalas or Vishwakarma community consisting of goldsmith, bonesmith, those who make the gold, bronze, black, smith, masons and carpenters were essential. The architectural splendor of Hampi. Hampi is located in Tungabhadra basin, which formed the nucleus of the Vijayanagar Empire. It is founded in 1336. It is a well-fortified city. Fishes in troubled waters, Masolipatnam. The town Masolipatnam or Machilipatnam, all the delta of Krishna River. The fort of Masolipatnam was built by the Dutch. Dutch people built this fort in 1660, 86 to 87. New towns and traders. Now, how the new town and traders emerged. The 18th century saw the rise of Bombay, Calcutta, and Madras, which were nodal cities today. The black or native traders and craft persons were confined here while the white rulers occupied it. Thank you very much.